everyone. For today's Murphy Law Monday, I wanted to come on and do something a little bit different and get something off my chest. It is the notion that a father cannot have unfettered access to their child because they're young, and that they have to be on some type of build-up or graduated schedule. You know, I have a lot of clients who are mothers, a lot of clients who have attorneys on the other side of cases, and they believe this. They really believe that a father cannot care for a young child or newborn or a child that is less than 6 months. And I despise this notion. I 100% despise it. I believe that parents are on equal footing when it comes to raising and rearing children. The idea that just because a child is young and a father can't do the things that a mother can do, of course, outside of breastfeeding and nurturing, things like that. However, there are things, this is 2021, there are ways around that. There are ways that a child who is breastfed can still spend time with their father. There are different things that we can do and kind of strategize to do so that dad has the access that he rightfully deserves. I think that the idea, again, that he has to build up or have so many overnights before he can get to this number, before he can have overnights at all, is bogus. And I 100%, every time that I'm in a case where it's the option or the only option to settle or the only option to go forward, I think that judges despise it too. And that's one thing I wanted to come on here and say, that the court's best interest for the child is the child's best interest, not yours, not the other parties, not your notion about your relationship ending, not the reason why you think he can't birth the child. It's only relating to the child. And from the court's perspective, the child's best interests are served in the care and custody of both parents unless there is evidence proving otherwise. And I'll get to that in later videos. But for this particular video, I just wanted to go on and say that fathers should have access to their children just as much as mothers, even at those young and tender ages. In fact, it is very important that the father have the opportunity to bond at those ages so that when the child goes old, they're familiar with the father. I just wanted to get on and say those things. If you're in need of legal services in the state of Maryland or in the District of Columbia, please give my office a call, 240-493-9116 and www.amurphylegal.com. Thank you.